What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I know it's been a while. I've been doing a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I've been here, I've been there. But now I am back, and I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And today, I would like to talk to you about market caps. Yes, today we're talking about market caps, for it is not the price of the coin that matters, but it is the market cap of the coin that matters. Yeah, we should not judge a coin based on the content of its price, but on the content of its market cap. That is my dream, ladies and gentlemen. That is my dream. And today I'm going to show you some coins, show you why you shouldn't buy them, and then I'm going to show you some coins, and I'm going to show you why you should buy them. So let's start off with my favorite coin, Psych. We're going to start off with my least favorite coin, Shiba Inu. Yes, as you can see, Shiba Inu is worth whatever the hell this is, like a fraction of a penny. All right? And then these bozos, they come and they look at Shiba Inu and they say, you know what? This is a great buy. One day, it's going to be worth 1 cent. And you know what? They're wrong. And they're not just wrong, they're dead wrong. They're so wrong that they make me want to die. That's how wrong they are. And I'm going to tell you why. Shiba Inu has a market cap of $21 billion. That is almost the market cap of Starbucks coffee, okay? It's only going to go up so much higher. All right, $21 billion is its market cap. Yes, you can buy one Shiba Inu for a fraction of a penny, but its market cap is $21 billion. It doesn't have much room to grow, and it doesn't have any utility because it is a shitcoin. Yes, they made a DEX for it. Yes, they're coming out with more whatever for it. But you know what it is? At its core, it's a shitcoin with a low price, and people just want to buy it because they think it's Dogecoin, and they see the price, and they think it has more potential than Dogecoin because it has a much lower price than it, but it doesn't. They both have the same market cap. They've both been pumped to shit, and they have no potential left in them. They're just going to be a bunch of 10 to 15% pump and dumps for the rest of eternity. That's going to be the legacy of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. And maybe I'm wrong. Maybe by the grace of God's dick, it'll hit a market cap of $60 billion. But it's not going to go any higher than that. So don't touch it. Now, I'd like to talk to you about, let's not even do Ethereum, because Ethereum's a great buy. I could show you the market cap of Ethereum, but no, I'm going to talk to you about Galley Games. All right, this is a great buy. Its market cap is $4 billion, okay? And Galley Games is evaluated at 53 cents, but I don't give a damn how much a single coin of Galley Games costs, okay? What I care about is the market cap, because the market cap is only $4 billion, okay? Shiba Inu's market cap is $21 billion, okay? Shiba Inu is a shitcoin. Galley Games has tons of utility, okay? You can research it. You can go on its website. They're developing stuff. They're working on more and more things. They're adding to the ecosystem every day. More games are coming out. All right, that's how you research a coin. All right, but this video is not about researching coins. This video is about market caps. Okay, that is the value of a market cap. The market cap is $4 billion. Don't even worry about this number. Do not worry about this number at all. It means nothing. Okay, the only number you should be worried about is the market cap. All right, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it should be that. Because quite frankly, it's the only thing I'm talking about. And it's the only thing I will talk about during this video. Because I swear to God, if another shitcoin comes anywhere near the market cap of Dogecoin, I'm going to get cancer and die at a very young age. And I don't want that to happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Happy holidays. And yeah, have a good one, everybody.